So how do you fix the Apple Watch being upside down? Let's talk about it. And if you're new here on this channel, consider subscribing so you do not miss tutorials and videos like this one. Well, there are some things you should know. Naturally, the Apple Watch can be set up the way that you prefer in terms of the orientation. So you can open up your settings, go to your general. You can do it on like the Apple Watch app on the iPhone as well as on the watch itself. But you can find the orientation right there. And you can decide in which side the digital crown is supposed to be. That's how the orientation gets determined, right? Because if you decided that it wants to be, or you want it to be on the left side, everything will be rotated like this. And when you decide it to be on the right side, then of course the opposite will happen. So that's how you can decide the orientation. So it's not like technically something you need to fix because, it is a matter of preference and a choice, but you can change it for however you like. You can make it, flipped or not flipped at all. That's how it works. Then you also have the wrist selection, so you have to decide whether you want to wear your Apple Watch on the left wrist or right one. And it's kind of important for the Apple Watch to know it so it can determine the, flipping motion so it can light up the screen. But that's about it. Let me know what you think about it below. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later in the upcoming tutorials and videos like this one. Stay tuned for more, and I'll see you later.